What's going on, YouTube? Murdercase is back here bringing you guys another video today. Today we got my 2008 328 Xi E90, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a POV video with my Sean Taylor hat. So shout out Sean Taylor, shout out Redskins or Washington football team, whatever they are now. But you know, we on a roll. Go Washington. And anyways, guys, I had to make a video today. It's super beautiful today in terms of temperature. It's like December 6th. Let me check my phone real quick. This is literally the day I'm making this video. I only take one take. It's December 6th. It's 4 p.m. I believe it's like 60 degrees. I'm out in my like Nike shirt, gold chain on, you know. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna make a video today on this car, and we're gonna have fun, so stay tuned. All right, guys, definitely one of my favorite features of having this car is the cold start. And if you're a BMW owner, your dashboard probably looks like a Christmas tree, but I am gonna fix it eventually. Mechanically, my car has been doing super well. I just have the sensors in my car need to be changed with the tire, and I gotta code out the module for the light. I'm gonna do a video on Beamer Geeks Pro Tool. I'm gonna see what's up, see what all the hype's about. See right there. So sorry about that, but anyways, I'm gonna let the car warm up and we're gonna continue on with the video. I'm gonna talk about just ownership and just an update, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back. Thank you for continue watching this video. I am out here in the BMW. It's not 100% warmed up, but it's pretty warm right now. The engine's got oil and stuff. Ooh, brakes are good on this car too. I'm gonna let all these people pass just because this is gonna be a video on me talking, honestly. But anyways, guys, I hope everyone's doing well. I for sure am blessed to say, you know, I'm doing okay, and I'm really trying to focus on this YouTube channel now. I've definitely been slacking, but thank you to all my followers, everyone subscribed to my channel, whoever watches these videos. You guys are the best. Thank you to Taz. Thank you to the OG members, everyone that, you know, keeps supporting me on these BMW videos. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me, honestly. And I'm super excited to keep pushing forward. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. I got big goals with this YouTube channel, so I'm probably gonna release some merch soon, just so I can rep my brand and, you know, just build the Murdercase brand. I mean, I love the name. I think it suits me very well. I'm super happy to have came up with that name. And other than that, I've just been focused on just life. I got a job at Starbucks. Super hilarious. Definitely getting some dough to, you know, invest into my YouTube channel and you know, make my videos better, get you guys better content. Anyone watching this, I also have a Prius, a 2008 Generation 2 Prius. Go check some of those videos out. Kind of the same style, I just talk about life and stuff. But for this video, I just want to give you guys an update on myself and my YouTube channel and my car. As you can see, I got two lights on the dash. When I first got the car, I had no lights on it, but that BMW ownership, man, wouldn't trade it any other way, honestly. It forces you to bring out your wallet. That's number one. You're definitely gonna be paying money. And but anyways, other than that, it's super satisfying car. The driving experience you get from a BMW E90 328 is superb. For the money, I'd keep buying these, honestly. They're very well priced in my opinion, especially if you can get a low mileage one. The parts they use on this car are not cheap, and that just helps with the driving experience. I've been in newer cars, and I swear they don't feel as well put as a BMW 328. I mean, this car just feels so tight, so nimble, just everything feels so just German. It's like a German car thing, I swear. Doesn't get the best gas mileage, but I love the way it looks. I think the pre-LCI E90 with some basic cosmetic mods. Like I put LCI headlight or tail lights in the back, stickers. I really should be showing maybe I'll edit in a picture of what it looks like. Looks super dope. I love the way it looks. I put F30 rims on my car. That definitely helped with the look also. Done quite a bit of work to this car. Put headlight cleaner on my front of the car. That definitely helped. And other than that, guys, it's just been such a pleasure to drive, pleasure to own. Definitely had some hiccups. The last owner of this car didn't really take meticulous care of the vehicle, but you know, that's okay. Taught me how to work on cars. I changed the fluids, oil. Of course, oil is pretty easy on this car, because you're going to be changing it a lot. And I changed the air filter, the front brakes. I did the oil filter housing gasket. Go check that video out. It's super hilarious. But as you can see, I live in a very nice area. I love driving through the neighborhoods around here. Keeps me inspired, keeps me motivated to just keep pushing and, you know, get to that next level. Anyways, but like I said, just to my community, I just cannot thank you guys enough. You guys are the best, and we're just gonna keep pushing. I don't even know what's going on. A little traffic on the roundabout. Look at that Ford. Look at them trucks. But like I was saying, guys, I absolutely adore this car. I absolutely adore this car. Oh, my bad. Oops. I didn't know that guy was going there. But as you can see, we're already outie, bro. We're already outie. I love the BMW. I mean, this thing flies. Let me just tell you that this thing flies, boys and girls. Like, when you're on the highway, this is probably one of my favorite highway cars, honestly, just because of the way it feels. I don't know if it has 50-50 weight distribution, but the handling in this car is by far one of the best. I don't know any other car like this one. I'm pretty sure I do have sports suspension on this. I have a sport package. I can drop gears. Sounds good too. I mean, that's no muffler delete, and I love the engine whine. I mean, this car is just so sweet, and it feels very responsive. The paddles for 08, very, very good. Trans is good too. I think it's rated for like almost 400 horsepower. For the all-wheel drive model. I have the GM one. I do need to do a fluid change on it. I'm just waiting on when to do it. I'm probably gonna do it myself. It's not the hardest job. I just need to get the car up. I need to find probably someone with a lift, and I think I do know somebody, so I'm gonna definitely do a video on that. But other than that, knock on wood, this car has just been such a beast. I love it. Wow, there's a lot of traffic going on. I don't know where to go. I'm just gonna go right. But anyways, this car is, I'm just rip it right here. Oh my goodness, that sound just so like nice. I love the inline six sound. Definitely gonna miss it because they're trying to push just electric cars. BMW specifically, I think, are stopping gas production cars within 10 years. So I'm super grateful to have owned a BMW 328 E90. I mean, these things rock. Love these cars. I'm gonna just go back on track just because oh, Oh my god, even in drive mode, this thing, oh my goodness, it just feels so just really nice. Ultimate driving machine. That's their motto, and with the 328 E90, I mean, they did a great job. Smart car, funny looking. I don't think you'll ever see Murderkiss in a smart car, but who knows? It looks super unsafe. I mean, if you got hit in that thing, all power to you. That's all I gotta say. But this car is just so nice, boys and girls. Like, just so well made. I want to give a big hug to the engineer that made the E90. I just want to dap him up, give him a hug, tell him, like, bro, like, you know the magic sauce. he knows whoever designed this car, they know the secret recipes. I mean, this car, I swear to you, go test drive one of these. They're really nice cars. I like it more, like, I'm gonna say it, to be honest, I like it more than, you know, everyone has an opinion, but I like it more than the C300 of this year. I've driven the W204 C-Class. It's super nice, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't feel as raw, and it just feels more like wimpy compared to this one. This is like an animal. You can take traction control off, and you can go ham. Like, if it's raining, you can do donuts. You can go crazy. Not very good on the car. I mean, I will say it probably overheats it, but I mean, it can do it. This car is just such a beast. Reliability with BMW is clearly not the best, but I mean, if you just keep up with the maintenance, it's very meticulous maintenance, but if you keep up with it, this car will serve you well. Trans is super good, engine's solid, there's no turbos you have to worry about. It's just a naturally aspirated inline six, and I believe it's the last one they made, so it's very well made, very well developed, well engineered. BMW gets a lot of hate on their reliability, and I don't blame them. I mean, it's expensive to fix this car if you're not DIYing most of the things, but if you're DIYing it, it's definitely affordable on any budget. I'm 21 years old. I'm not making a crazy amount of money yet, but it's been such a humble experience owning this car, and I'm super grateful to have gotten it. But let me see what's good on time. I don't want to make this video too long, guys, but make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. My name is Murderkiss. I make the car vlogs, and, you know, I'm probably going to do some gaming at some point. But anyways, I hope you loved this video. You guys take care. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon. So, peace. 'Cause I can't